Here at the Law Society, we're delivering services to our members who are solicitors. It's a range of services from publications, phone-based services and web-based services. So we moved to a more active work style as part of our overall transformational change programme, and we're moving to a different working pattern where we'll be interacting with different teams more and less silo working. The retrofit option was chosen because it was less disruptive and also really cost effective. So we really concentrate on delivering as many services as we can for our members, so we're looking for cost effectiveness all the time. Sit-stand working has changed the working environment because it helps people interact with one another more. I think it even encourages more creative thinking, and people are just more ready to share desks and work in a more collaborative way. Employers have adapted really well to sit-stand working. Our CEO actually advocates standing for a period of time, so he models that behaviour, and I think people have adapted really well and enjoying working with different teams and desk sharing. The installation process is really quick and easy. I think it took a matter of minutes. It's really easy to use the Levado height adjustable desk. I can set it to exactly the height that I know is right for me.